Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. I am Vaishali Khan and we are discussing digital circuits. Today in this video we are going to see how we can implement any boolean function using NAND logic or using NOR logic. So we are going to talk about some questions, some examples we are going to see, and with the help of these examples we can see that how we can implement any function with the help of NAND and NOR. Right, so we are starting with the NAND logic, and the boolean function which is given to us is a bar c plus abc plus a bar bc plus ab plus d. The first step to convert this boolean function into the NAND logic is to simplify the boolean function, and we have to convert it into sum of product form. Right, it is already sum of product form. We have to now simplify it. Right, so when we simplify it, we have y is equal to a bar c plus, here I can take bc common. If I take bc common, I will be having a bar plus a plus ab plus d. A bar plus a will be equal to 1, so 1 when multiplied with bc, I will get bc only, so I will be having a bar c plus bc plus ab plus d. Right, so first of all I have to implement this function y with the help of AND OR logic. Right, so I am going to use the AND OR logic. So a bar is multiplied with c, so I am going to take a bar, I am going to take c, I am going to have the AND gate. Then we have b and c, I am going to take the AND gate output. Then I have a and b, I am going to take the AND gate output. Right, then I have the d, I am going to take them as it is. So we have all of them to be added up. So for that I am going to use an OR gate. Right, so here we are supplying all of the outputs to the OR gate. So this is how I will get y. Right, now I have to convert this AND OR logic to the NAND logic. So now I will tell you how to convert it. So right over here you can take a bar and c and you have to send it to the NAND gate. Right, so you will get here a bar into c, right, and whole bar. Right, so after that you have to take b and c, the second term in the SOP form, and then you have to send it to NAND gate, so you get bc whole bar. Then we have a and b, so again you have to send it to the NAND gate, you will get ab whole bar. Right, then you have d, you are going to send d to a NAND gate inverter. Right, you will get d bar. All of them are complemented. Now we are going to send all of them to a NAND gate. Right, so now here the output will be a bar c whole bar. Right, it is multiplied with bc bar, it is multiplied with, right, ab bar, it is multiplied with d bar, and we have to take the complement of all of them. Right, so now how this is equal to this, let's see this. We can apply now the De Morgan's law. So it is a bar c double bar, this product will come into the addition form, then b c double bar, then plus a b double bar plus d double bar. So double complement of anything is that thing only. So if I have double complement of x, I will get x only. So here I will get a bar c, here I will get bc, here I will get ab, and here I will get d. So this is how I can implement the given function using the NAND logic. Coming to this, so here in this case you can see the function is given in the terms of min terms. Right, so here we have 0, 1, 3 and 5. So first of all we have to simplify it. For that we are using the K-map method. So the min term is present here at one location, at the 0th location, one location, then at the 3rd location and at the 5th location. So we can make the 3 pairs over here. So this pair is representing over here a bar, a is 0 which is common for both of them, and then we have b bar. Right, so here if I see these two, again here we have a bar, and what is common? C is common, so I can write c over here. C is 1 for both of them, b is varying. So if I see this, it is b bar C. right? So this is a simplified Boolean function. Now I have to first make the AND OR logic. So here we have A bar and B bar. So I am going to send these two to the AND gate, right? Then we have A bar and C. I am going to send these two to the AND gate. Then we have B bar and C. I am going to send these two to the AND gate, right? All of them are added, so I am going to send them, all of them, to the OR gate, right? So here I will get the output F. So output is F, I am writing F only, right? So now I have to convert this AND OR logic to the NAND logic. For that I am going to take the same input A bar and B. I am going to send them to the NAND gate, right? Here A bar and C are sent to the NAND gate, right? Then B bar and C are sent to the NAND gate, right? So these are the NAND gate. All of the output are sent to the single NAND gate, right? And here I will get F. So this is how you can simplify again like this. You will get A bar B whole bar over here, A bar C whole bar over here, B bar C whole bar over here. So all of them are multiplied. A bar B whole bar is multiplied with A bar C whole bar. It is multiplied with B bar C whole bar, and all of them is complemented. So again I can use the De Morgan's law. I will be getting A bar B double complement plus A bar C double complement plus B bar C double complement. I will get A bar B plus A bar C plus B bar C. Right, so this is how you can simplify and you can get the same function using the NAND logic. Simply we can use this same logic and we can apply that for the NOR logic as well. So Y is AC plus BC plus AB plus D. So now this is a simplified expression. First step was to simplify the function. This is a simplified expression. Now I have to take the same terms A and C. I have to send them to the NOR gate. This is my NOR gate. Then I have to take B and C. I have to send them to the NOR gate. I have to take A and B. I have to send them to the NOR gate. I have to take D. I have to send it to the NOR gate inverter. Right? All of them are sent to the NOR gate. Right, and here I will get Y. So let's see how I am going to get Y. Here I am going to get A plus C whole bar. Here I am going to get B plus C whole bar. Here I am going to get A plus B whole bar. Here I am going to get D bar. So Y is equal to, all of them are added and then complemented. So A plus C complement is added with B plus C complement, which is added with A plus B complement, and it is added with D complement. Right? So now here all of them are taken as a complement because this is a NOR logic. I have to add all of them and then take the complement. So now again I can apply the De Morgan's law. Y will be equal to A plus C double complement plus B plus C double complement plus A plus B double complement. So here not plus, we have the multiplication, because now we are applying the De Morgan's law. This plus is converted into multiplication, right? A plus B double complement multiplied with D double complement. I will get A plus C multiplied with B plus C, which is multiplied with A plus B, which is multiplied with D, right? So now here this is in the product of sum form. It is in the product of sum form. This POS form only we have to take, and here this was SOP form, right? You can take the dual of it, right? You can take the dual of it and you will get this only, right? So this is how I can prove this is my Y. Coming to the next example, here we have the function in the terms of max term. The max term is given is 0, 2, 4, 5, 6. So it is 0, 2, 4, 5 and 6. So now here if I want to make the clubbing, so these 4 zeros can be clubbed and these 2 zeros can be clubbed. So these 4 zeros has only C common, so these 4 zeros are represented as C. And now coming to these 2 zeros, here A is common, and now what is common? This B is common. So it is A plus B into C. This is my F. right? So it is in the POS form only. So now we have to represent this with the help of, this is a function, I have to represent this with the help of NOR gate. So first is A plus B. So A plus B I am sending with the help of NOR gate, right? Then the second term over here is C. So C is sending, I am over here with the help of inverter NOR gate. So both of them are sent to the NOR gate. I will get the F over here. So here I will get A plus B complement, here I will get C complement. F will be equal to A plus B complement plus C complement whole complement. Now if I apply the De Morgan's law, I will be having A plus B double complement multiplied with C double complement, which is A plus B multiplied with C. So this is how I can get the Boolean function. You can see we are getting the same function. I hope you understood how I can apply the NOR logic or NAND logic on any Boolean function, and I can make any logic or any Boolean function with the help of NAND and NOR logic. If you have any doubt, put the doubt in the comment and I will try to resolve your doubt as soon as possible. I hope you like this session. If you like it, please push the like button, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friend, and also give me your feedback. If you want the notes, go to our mobile app. And I hope you are going to meet me soon in the next class. Thank you so much.